Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word ponk in depth. First, the definition. Ponk means a type of young green sorghum used as a food ingredient in India. Think of it simply as young green sorghum grains roasted to perfection. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Ponk traces back to Gujarati cuisine, where it refers to roasted sorghum grains eaten in winter. Over time, it's been used by traditional Indian communities during harvest seasons. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use ponk in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. During our trip to Gujarat, we enjoyed a delicious dish made with fresh ponk. Correct example 2. I bought fresh ponk from the local market to try a new recipe. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to ponk my computer, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using ponk correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Ponk means a type of young green sorghum used as a food ingredient in India. It comes from Gujarati cuisine, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with ponk down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.